Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. Maintaining the pristine appearance of your car is not only about aesthetics, but also essential for preserving its value and longevity. One of the key elements in effective car washing is the right equipment, and a high-quality water gun can make all the difference. With a myriad of options available, selecting the perfect one can be daunting. To simplify your search, we've compiled a list of the top 5 best car washing water guns. These products have been chosen based on their durability, efficiency, versatility, and user satisfaction. Whether you're a meticulous car enthusiast or a professional detailer, these water guns are sure to elevate your car washing experience to the next level. Let's dive into the details and find the perfect water gun to keep your car sparkling clean. Number 5. Gisam Car Washing Water Gun. One of the standout features of this water gun is its versatility. With the 6-in-1 outlet, I have the flexibility to adjust the spray pattern according to my needs. Whether I'm tackling tough stains with a high-pressure jet or gently rinsing off soap suds with a whiter spray, this water gun delivers on all fronts. Speaking of pressure, the Gisam water gun offers a wide range from 100 to 200 bar, allowing me to adjust the intensity based on the task at hand. This variability is particularly handy when cleaning different surfaces, from delicate car paint to stubborn grime on wheels and undercarriage. Number 4. Hohigh Car Washing Water Gun. First and foremost, the power and performance of the Hohigh water gun are exceptional. With a voltage of 21 V and a power output of 200 W coupled with various battery options ranging from 10,000 mAh to 30,000 mAh, it delivers consistent and robust water pressure. The 60/80 points resistance ensures a steady flow, while the impressive 50 bar pressure, peaking at 70 bar, effortlessly blasts away dirt and grime, even from hard-to-reach areas. The versatility of this water gun is another standout feature. Beyond just car washing, it serves multiple purposes including floor washing, watering plants, bathing pets, and even painting tasks. This makes it a valuable addition to any household, saving both time and effort by eliminating the need for separate tools for different tasks. Number 3. BABEQ 200 Bar Car Washing Water Gun. One of the standout features of the BABEQ water gun is its impressive pressure range. With the ability to deliver a pressure of 100 to 200 bar, it effortlessly blasts away dirt, grime, and stubborn stains from the surface of my car, leaving it sparkling clean in a fraction of the time compared to traditional methods. Whether it's removing mud from the wheel wells or tackling dried-on bugs from the windshield, this water gun handles every task with ease. Another aspect that I appreciate is the versatility offered by the 5-meter-long water pipe. It provides ample reach, allowing me to maneuver around the vehicle without constantly needing to reposition the water source. This, combined with the ergonomic design of the gun itself, ensures a comfortable and hassle-free washing experience. Number 2. NarzrIe Car Washing Water Gun. The wireless feature powered by a 20,000 mAh lithium battery is a game-changer. It eliminates the hassle of tangled cords or being restricted by the proximity to a power outlet. This freedom of movement allows me to efficiently clean every nook and cranny of my vehicle without any limitations. With a power output of 500 W and a voltage of 21 V, this water gun delivers impressive performance. The 60 bar pressure ensures a strong and consistent stream of water, effectively removing dirt, grime, and stubborn stains from the surface of my car. Additionally, the maximum flow rate of 10 min ensures ample water supply for uninterrupted cleaning sessions. Number 1. EAFC Car Washing Water Gun. One of the standout features of the EAFC water gun is its lithium battery power supply. With a hefty 20,000 mAh battery capacity, I never have to worry about running out of power mid-wash. This wireless drive system not only provides convenience, but also enhances maneuverability, allowing me to reach every nook and cranny of my vehicle without being tethered to a power outlet. The impressive 60 bar product pressure combined with a maximum flow rate of 10 min ensures thorough cleaning with minimal effort. Whether I'm tackling stubborn dirt and grime or simply giving my car a quick rinse, the EAFC water gun delivers consistent and powerful performance every time. The adjustable jet stroke of 6 to 10 meters provides versatility, allowing me to customize the water flow according to the task at hand. Thanks for watching this video.